like I said, the overlay is not placed down. It ain't glued down right now. It's just sitting on there, and I will come back and glue it down later on. We'll probably make a video on gluing it down, but for now, like, I don't have the clamps. I don't have no clamps or nothing to hold it down, so that's why I haven't glued it. So once I get some clamps and stuff, then we'll come back and glue this down so I can clamp it, and then it'll be tight and everything, and it'll just be one piece. So went ahead and replaced the dash with this dash cover overlay. We went ahead and re-wrapped the side with the headliner wrap like you're supposed to, and then we added the third brake light up top, which is so fire to me, bro. I love the third brake light, especially when it's shining. And we moved down here. We wrapped the rear deck. I don't know if y'all remember the video, but if y'all don't, go check that video out. We wrapped the rear deck, the entire rear deck, and it looks a lot better now that it's wrapped, instead of trying to have like an overlay on top and sitting right here, and it just wasn't right. So what's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video, and after a long bit of grinding, searching for everything, and just being patient with buying all this stuff, my interior is pretty much done now. So that's all this video is about, you feel me? We're not gonna be doing no work in this video, but I will be doing some work later on today, but probably not to this car, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, after a long time of searching and saving money to get the stuff later on down the line and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying, my interior is complete now. So everything that I was missing or that I needed to get or cover up or anything, you feel me, I done got it and I done it, you feel me? Now it's two last things I'm gonna do, and one I'm gonna have to, well, both I'm gonna have to buy parts for, but yeah, it's two last things I'm gonna do to this interior. But other than that, the interior is pretty much done, you feel me? So, well, actually three things, not two, three. So y'all know, it might have been video before last, we went ahead and installed the door panel. So now we have all matching, even though this one is a little bit different, you feel me? Don't have, like, if you look at the bottom area is a little different from that side. And then this trim part is black instead of it being chrome like that one. So other than that though, it matches close enough, which is what I mainly needed, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, this was one of the final big things that I need to get for this interior. Y'all know we changed the steering wheel, we changed the wrap around it, the half wrap, we changed the gear shifter, and we put a dash cover overlay on, which now you see no more cracks. I still got to glue it down. I haven't glued it down yet, but yeah, like I said, it's nothing, that's not hard at all. The glue is actually down there, so I'm not stressed about gluing it down. I just had it on there basically to mock it up to see how it's gonna look. So we still got to come back and glue it down fully. But yeah, this is the dash cover overlay, and yeah, so like I said, man, it's we've done so much to this interior, and we're gonna do a full walk around with everything, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, still three things I need to get. So I still got to get, if we look here, still got to get this bottom thing. So I'm just gonna count this door as one part that I still need to get. So this bottom part here, and we gotta get the arm, the door puller here, so we gotta get that as well. So both of those is one. We gotta remake the center console. I mean, it ain't terrible, but it's far from the best. I can do a lot better. So we're gonna remake the center console, because like, if y'all look and see, bro, it's like too wide. So I need to, when I redo it, I'm gonna measure it right and then trim that in so that'll all come in just right, you feel me? And then we gotta get this pillar, because this one is cracked and it's been broken since I had the car, you feel me? So that is another thing we have to get. But other than that, everything else is done. The interior is pretty much complete. It's pretty complete, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm so happy that I finally got this door panel. It came in and it's installed. Yeah, it ain't the exact match, but it's close enough until I'm able to find the exact one, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm happy, I'm excited, and I'm just loving the way this car just keeps moving forward and forward and forward, you feel me? We ain't taking no steps back. I mean, yeah, besides the paint, we taking steps back on the paint, because I ended up finding, y'all know, a motor, and we're gonna put the motor in, then we're gonna worry about paint. So I'm gonna hold off till probably next year to try to get the car painted and everything, just because I got so much money tied in with that Cutlass, and then now I'm doing a 2.0 version with my Charger. So yeah, I'm gonna hold off on paint for a little bit, which, you feel me, I'm not in no rush to get the car painted. I know a lot of y'all want to see the car already painted, but like I said, I'm not in a rush for it. It's a lot of money being spent with that Cutlass, so that Cutlass is really tying me up. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. We're gonna do a walk around of the interior of my bike Chevy. Everything is complete and done now, so make sure y'all go ahead and unlock that door. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. And like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below, how y'all feel about everything I've done to the interior. If y'all would change something, what would y'all change? Any of that, you feel me? And if y'all end up coming across a door panel that looks like this one, with the bottom, got the trim at the bottom and the bottom is different and stuff. If y'all come across one like that, y'all let me know, you feel me? So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed though, like I said. And I'm not gonna buy none off nobody unless it's like through eBay or something like that, you feel me? Unless it's through an actual website, so I can know I'm not getting scammed for the money, you feel me? So if y'all do find one and somebody saying they'll ship it to me and I have to just send them money like through Cash App or something, or PayPal or something like that, I'm not doing that, you feel me? I'm not getting scammed out of some money. So the only way I will buy it is if it's through like an actual site like eBay. If somebody posted on eBay and do it like that, that way I know if they try to scam me, I can still get my money back. Simple as that. So yeah, but like I said, if it's something in the interior that y'all would change, y'all let me know, and let me know how y'all feel about everything in here, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and start. But I'm gonna start in the front actually, so let me go ahead and just sit on back down. So we're gonna start in the front of the car, and then we're gonna go from the front to the back, and basically just go through everything we done or I done to the interior of the car. And like I said, to actually make it fully complete. Now if we start here at the steering wheel, now if y'all don't know, this car did come with the original stock steering wheel, but it did not have the airbag air horn part, you know, it was missing it. So instead of just ordering the airbag and leaving it stock, I went ahead and changed the steering wheel up. For one, I like this billet half wrap steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? I really like this steering wheel. I like the way it looked. It's different, you know? And once I get a custom set of wheels, I can get an actual custom billet steering wheel. And then we changed the half wrap from black to the blue, so my whole interior will be blue, you know what I'm saying? Even though I know this will get dirty and you will see it so quickly, but I don't mind keeping it clean, you feel me? I want to keep it clean anyways. Then we changed the gear shift, so now we have a billet gear shift instead of the stock gear shift. I mean, I still have my stock one. It's just the little part that was right there, it was like wearing down, so I figured why not just go ahead and get a billet one and change the gear shift, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we did. Then we went ahead and, like I said, the overlay is not placed down. It ain't glued down right now. It's just sitting on there. And I will come back and glue it down later on. We'll probably make a video on gluing it down. But for now, like, I don't have the clamps. I don't have no clamps or nothing to hold it down. So that's why I haven't glued it. So once I get some clamps and stuff, then we'll come back and glue this down so I can clamp it and then it'll be tight and everything, and then it'll just be one piece. So went ahead and replaced the dash with this dash cover overlay. And I just got this GPS there just to sit there, you know what I'm saying, to look give it a little bit more TV look in here. Even I can take it out if I want to or anything. Then this dash, I had to put that there because if I move this, it's a big hole just sitting there. I don't know what the previous owner did, but it's just a big hole there, and it's like chewed up, you feel me? It looked like teeth marks. So put that TV there. All I gotta do is hook it up, run the wires, and then I have some power to this. And yeah, that's what we did. And it was also a hole there, so I had to put that speaker there to cover it up. But I will end up either changing it or just running the wire and make that speaker actually work. So that's what we did. Now the floors, ain't nothing done to the floors, you know what I'm saying? All I did was just throw this little carpet on there, but I will be getting some small little carpet pads to put on each one, some blue ones, or yeah, most likely blue, you know. So I might get yellow, because I told y'all yellow is gonna be like the secondary color in this car. I'm gonna do my calipers yellow, and I might put the yellow mats on the floor. And in the center console, we will be redoing it. I just got this here like this for now, just until I get ready to do another one, you feel me? That'll be another project for later on. And y'all know this stuff not stayed down just because I told y'all I want to remake it. So yeah. And then we changed the radio because this car didn't have no radio in it when I got it, you feel me? It was just a big hole there, so I went ahead and got this TV. I went and bought this from Walmart, and it's perfect, you feel me? It don't have Apple CarPlay, which is one reason why I want to change this radio. I'll probably order one with Apple CarPlay. But it do have Bluetooth and everything, and it works, and it's good. You feel me? It's a good one. 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, and it's a dual. Like I said, I got it from Walmart in a little package deal with two or four speakers. I think it was 2 speakers for like $80. I don't know if they still have that deal or not, but that's how I got it. And then we move on to the door panel. Y'all know we just did the little series of cleaning it when it came in and installing it. So we now have somewhat of a matching door panel. You feel me? It flows with the rest of them. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Like I said, this is not chrome, it's black, while that's chrome. But it do have the mirror hole, which I do want to probably end up changing that and get the little mirror adjuster so I can adjust it here. And the bottom of it, like I said, is different from this side, which is, like I said, it's all fine. It's all right until I find another one. So we're gonna rock out with this until I find another one, like I said. So yeah, but that's it for the front, besides like the headliner. But I was gonna wait until we got towards the back to do the headliner. So yeah, let's move on to the back of the car. Alright, so back of the car now. So if we come here, y'all see we went ahead and rewrapped the side with the headliner wrap like you're supposed to, and then we added the third brake light up top, which is so fire to me, bro. I love the third brake light, especially when it's shining. And we moved down here, we wrapped the rear deck. I don't know if y'all remember the video, but if y'all don't, go check that video out. We wrapped the rear deck, the entire rear deck, and it looks a lot better now that it's wrapped, instead of trying to have like an overlay on top and sitting right here, and it just wasn't right. So this look 1,000 times better. I'm glad I did this. We added the Scar speakers to the rear deck, 6x9s, 5.25. So we went ahead and did that as well. And then headliner, we rewrapped the headliner. The headliner was months ago though. We did the headliner so long ago, and it's holding up perfectly. You feel me? No sagging. Everything looks good. You feel me? And it's still, you see, you can still do that. And then the TV. So we put this here, like I told y'all, because I don't have this little circle thing for the light. So yeah, I could have probably ordered one, but I thought the TV looked better if I can get a little light in here. But I don't have the TV hooked up. All I gotta do is run the wires. Y'all see the wires are hanging right there. So all I gotta do is run the wires. And yeah, it's an older TV, but it's brand new. It was never used, you know. This was one my dad had back when he was still building cars. But yeah, we got the TV sitting there. Like I said, all I gotta do is run the wires for it to work. But yeah, I don't mind it. I don't need it working, because you feel me, don't nobody ride in the back seat. So yeah, I mean, I could run the wires and have it run into my radio, and then probably have like a USB drive, put that in, and then it'll play that TV and then this one too. So I'm gonna probably do that later on as well. But yeah, that's the interior of the car. Like I said, the only thing I forgot about this. I gotta get another one of these, the seatbelt cover things, and then the pillar and the door. Gotta finish that up. Gotta get that bottom one. I gotta get one of these blue ones. That's basically what I mean. But yeah, other than that, man, that's the whole interior. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It's completed. You feel me? The interior is done, and I'm happy. I'm excited, and I'm glad that I finally found that door panel. Even though it's not exactly the same, it's close enough for now, you know. So yeah, if I end up finding another one, then we'll get another one. But until then, we're just gonna rock out with the one I got, you know. It looks good, and it matches pretty good. If I wouldn't have pointed out half of that stuff, some of y'all probably wouldn't even caught it, you know. But like I said, I'm glad I got it in. I'm glad I got that done. And then another one of my most proud moments is doing this rear deck, because this rear deck looks so good. It fits right in between the gap down here. It fits down in the seat to where the seat's still over it a little bit. You feel me? It's literally perfect, literally perfect. I wish it wasn't 2 pieces, because you can tell it's 2 different pieces from that line. But regardless, bro, it looks perfect. And then the speakers with the speaker covers and mesh covers makes it look 10 times better. I can always take the mesh off and rock just the speakers, but the mesh just make it, like I said, look better, and it also protects the speakers. So yeah, rear deck is complete. Like I said, it's one of my favorite parts of this car, besides like my wheels, you know, and the actual body of the car. But interior wise, this is my favorite part of this car. This rear deck, this entire rear, from the third brake light being mounted up there and the wire barely showing, you know, to my rear deck. It's literally perfect, bro. I love it. I'm telling you, I love it. So like I said, ain't much left for me to do in this car. The headliner is another proud moment, because I did it when I did this headliner. It was the first time ever doing headliner, and it came out perfect. Literally, I couldn't ask for nothing better. So good. So good, bro. Look at that. It flows down. Still got that hump there. It's literally perfect. This headliner is perfect. I did my thing on that. And like I said, the rear deck is another proud moment. The rear deck, third brake light, figuring out that. The headliner, putting up the new TV to where it's even. It's literally straight. It's not crooked or nothing. It's perfect. And then changing the steering wheel, the gear shifter, trying to make a center console. Like I said, it ain't perfect, but I will be redoing it. Man, I just love this car, bro. I'm telling you, I love this car so much. But yeah, y'all leave y'all opinions about my interior in the comments, and I'll catch y'all for the outro. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Y'all leave, like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comments how y'all feel about my interior. Everything I've done in here was done, everything that is done in here was done by me. Everything from the window regulator, the rear deck, adding the speakers, wiring up the speakers, wiring up the third brake light, doing the third brake light, the headliner, rewrapping it, pulling it out, the side parts for the headliner, redoing that. I also do want to get some more visors, because these are sagging, so I definitely want to get some more visors, just like the ones in the colors. I'll probably order some of them and do it like that, you feel me? Give me some more blue visors. Why is my camera acting like it? Yeah, but yeah, man, everything in here, the wiring up the radio, wiring up the EQ, wiring up the subwoofers, everything. And then my speaker wires ran, and y'all wouldn't even be able to tell, you know what I'm saying? You can't see it, it's hidden perfectly. Like I said, everything in this car I've done, and just about everything that I've done in this car was my first time ever doing it, you know? Changing the steering wheel, pulling the steering wheel off with the steering wheel puller, my first time ever doing that. Or the hub pulling, all that stuff. Taking off a gear shift, I ain't never know how to do it. And another thing, when I was doing all this stuff, I think the only video I watched on how to do is how to pull out the headliner, not how to wrap it, just how to get it out of the car, because I was struggling getting it out. But everything in this car done by myself for the first time, and I didn't watch no video on how to do it. Like the gear shift, I literally made a video. I don't know if I don't remember. I might have watched a video on how to pull it out, but it's just a pin, so I don't think I did watch a video. Steering wheel, I know I didn't watch no video. I did it myself. Wiring the radio was not my first time, because I had to put a radio on my charger. But yeah, man, just about everything in this car that I've done, inside and out, just about was my first time ever doing something like that, you know? And half of it I didn't watch no videos. I just attempted it, it worked, and it came out perfect, and now I know how to do it, you know what I'm saying? Just like that, you know? So with all that being said, I just want to say, if you don't know how to do something, I can say just try it, and you might end up just figuring it out. Or if not, tune in with my videos, you feel me? I try to teach y'all whatever I know, and whatever I don't know, I ask y'all, you know? Simple as that. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I hope y'all like my interior. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. Let me know how y'all feel. But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. We just about finished, getting closer and closer and closer to the finish line day by day. So I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and drive safe. And like I said, I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.